how you can fix your WhatsApp Meta AI not showing your chatbot. So first thing first, let's open the App Store or Play Store from your mobile phone, and now you can see there is search bar at the very top. So let's search for the WhatsApp in here. So once you search it, uh, you can see there is WhatsApp Messenger in here, and another option is WhatsApp Business. So make sure to download WhatsApp Messenger to access your Meta AI or Meta chatbot in your mobile phone. So if you are using WhatsApp Business, then yeah, you will not be able to access your chatbot. And yeah, make sure to download the WhatsApp Messenger and you will be able to access it. So basically, yeah, this is how and this is the process to fix your WhatsApp Meta AI not working in your WhatsApp chatbot. So if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.